So good morning and welcome back to Vlogmas day number 7. So today's Vlogmas day number 7. We're starting out this morning. Look at my car. My car is covered in snow and it's currently 30 degrees outside, so it is freezing. And yes, I brought a coat. Don't judge me. I did bring a coat. Oh, just look how pretty it is outside now. Just that little bit of snow makes it a little bit brighter out. So right now we're at one of my favorite places of the world, Burger King. I'm just kidding, it's not my favorite place, but we're at Burger King. We have a coupon for 2 of their breakfast sandwiches for $5, and it comes with coffee. And you know, Colin, I'm a big coffee drinker, so definitely excited for that.
Bless you.
Welcome, Burger King. May I help you?
Yes, I have your mobile app. $5 sandwich meal for 2, sausage.
Okay, if you can have that up for me when you get to the 133, please.
She's a peach.
If you could have your coupon out, that's an obvious, but whatever. So today we got up early. I haven't been up this early in a long time. I woke up at 7:30 today so we got up early so we could go to our second job. And this second job requires us to go to this building, and we have to go clean and do all the normal cleaning stuff, cleaning floors, vacuuming, wiping down, all that fun stuff. Toilets and all that fun stuff. And then after that we have to go to another building, and then we have to do it all over again.
And you get breakfast out of it.
And I get breakfast out of it, so we're in the Christmas spirit, of course, like always, listening to some Christmas jams. And where we go for our second job area, there's no snow here. There's all the snow where I live, and then there's just no snow here. Bag secured. So yesterday I dropped my camera on the floor pretty hard, so now my screen, it makes this sound. It makes that sound again. And it doesn't like to focus as much, so I'm sorry if it's blurry. My camera's broke. So here's our start time. We're about to go in. I'll show you what time we get out. We're gonna speed run this. So here we go. Alright, so it is 9:27 and we just got done cleaning. And that's time. It is 11:58. Be 11:58 minus 9:17. I don't know. It took me. I don't know. I can't do math. I got nothing. We're making burgers outside for dinner, and we just see a helicopter fly over our house with the spotlight on.
Behind our house, all around the woods.
So we have this helicopter that's just flying over our house, and then all of a sudden they turn their giant light on and they're coming over our house again. So there's the helicopter again. They're literally coming right over our house. Oh my God, it's right over us! Oh my Lord. He is so low.
It's right over us now.
what's over there.
What?